We're out here picking our corn. We had a tough time with it. It got beat up pretty bad, but it's still making. Bill picked some green beans and some squash this morning. A small one like that one over there. It looks like it's still growing, so we're going to leave it there. So we had tied the corn up. The wind about blew it down. Okay. I thought these Malabar spinach died, but they're coming up. There's a few of them that made it. This is a loofah, and I don't have much hopes for it. It's kind of late growing now. So he's going to go around and pick some more corn. Bill's looking over the climbing green beans. And he picked some green beans a while ago. Okay. Yeah, you can get it. We're going to cut some of these sunchokes. They're back. They're trying to grow over the green beans. Uh-huh. Ben, he's snooping around. Oh, green beans. We already picked some cherry tomatoes. Get some squash. It's nice going to be able to eat some corn. Yeah. I don't remember what kind of corn that is. I'll have to look it up. But it's been pretty good. Yeah, I got hidden corn in there. We didn't figure it'd do much. Yeah. The sunchoke's taking it over. I'm going to have a lot of corn. Just for a few in each bed. It's getting to look like a jungle in here. Cucumbers all over the place, or vines. This looks like a corn or something. I guess it's Johnson grass. Johnson grass. Julie, she's snooping around. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got a few spaghetti squash out here. I need there. See. Well, that's pretty. It's garlic. It's looking good. Bill's looking around, see if there's any cucumbers on this side. Yeah. Chicken's been eating the cucumbers on the other side of the fence. That's alright. That's what we got it for them to have something to eat. Yeah. There's another spaghetti squash. There's a baby spaghetti squash. Okay. Yeah, it's a little skinny. We might as well take it and just get it out of the mud. Here, I'll take it. Yeah. We're hunting for food. There's another. Okay. We can let it grow. So, there's some little ones in there, but they might not make it. Hey Ben, what you doing? Okay, let him look. What is it? Oh, that's a big one. Yeah. Well, the chickens, the chickens and donkeys and horses will have some cucumbers. That's what we're growing them for everybody. Well, it is. Was it poking through the fence? Well, he found a jackpot of cucumbers. We might have to cut them sunchokes back to get in there. The horses and donkeys love eating sunchokes. Yeah. Yeah, he found one, but we're going to let the chickens have it. Yeah. Let me see it. Yeah. The chickens had some lunch yesterday. Go up, donkeys. Yeah. Well, go to one more square. We got some corn in there. I've been getting most of my green beans out here, but the flood water has really messed them up. Here he comes. It's nice to have the dogs in there just in case there are rattlesnakes in there. Let them look around. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
cut it. The chicken.
Yeah. I've been coming by eating these flowers. I like them on the salad too. That's why I'm letting them grow. Well, it's hard to get in there. There's a nice one right there. A couple of them. There's my green beans. I keep getting flooded on. Watch it, Toolie.
You helping?
Daddy's throwing corn. The horse is going to like these corn stalks. This is an apple tree I grew from seed. There's some peppers down here. Some of them's in the water line. And got some right there. I'm letting them turn red. And then I got one over there. You see them big ones over here? Right there?
Yeah, I'll get them. I'm still working on this.
Somebody's going to be eating some corn on the cob.
Yeah, that is. Freeze it.
Yeah, I will freeze it.
Chill it. Freeze it.
Still a little muddy in here.
Yeah.
There's a dog's footprint. Well, there's some cherry tomatoes all through here. Put a hollyhock out here. This mint didn't stand up to the water. I sure did like it. It was so pretty. Hope it comes back out. Oh, yeah, got a string there. There's some green beans, but they're dirty. Yeah, I seen them. Big ones? Oh, got some yellow. Well, that's good. Let's see. Yeah. Well, time to pick up corn. Hey, there's a baby cucumber. I had cut some this out, clear some room out here, and give some of this lamb quarter to the horses. And they like that. And I like giving it to them. Oh, Tiger, he got locked in. Tiger, you're just going to have to stay out there and be part of the garden. What, you want out? Is he locked in there, Ben? He said, let my buddy out. Oh, Ben, is he locked in? Well, okay. You don't have to stay in here. Okay. Come on out. Here. Oh, boy. Are you happy? Ben's happy. So don't lock Tiger in. No. Don't lock Tiger. Oh, there he goes. He's gone. Ben, thank you for helping. You're a good boy.